Medical breakthrough tonight now in the treatment of asthma, a condition that touches so many American families. Nearly 25 million people suffer from it, and more than 2.5 million Americans have a severe form, life-threatening. A new study out finds a radically different treatment providing benefits that last years. ABC's chief medical editor, Dr. Richard Besser, with the tool that will help save lives.
This is what it sounds like. Gasping, wheezing. It's a severe asthma attack. What you're hearing is the struggle to pull air into the lungs through airways that have spasmed closed. Shyla Harvey knows those sounds all too well, wearing this mask nearly every day.
Wheezing has always been a normal breath sound for me. I've tried every kind of medication.
Karen Ecker's severe asthma started in her 20s.
I just instantly couldn't breathe, constantly going to the emergency room with attacks. I was pretty much a hermit.
Desperate patients. And a new solution. A surgical tube with 4 tiny wires. It's called thermal bronchoplasty. The tube is guided down into the lungs. There, the 4 wires zap excess muscle from around the airway by releasing bursts of heat, about the same temperature as a cup of coffee. It's the only non-drug asthma therapy approved by the FDA. Doctors around the country are seeing remarkable results. After the procedure, 78% fewer emergency room visits.
Knowing that we have another way to attack asthma and have another tool in our toolbox is extremely exciting.
Here's an asthmatic airway before the treatment. It's almost entirely closed. And here's one after.
This is a one-time treatment, and it's very effective and safe.
Shyla had it done last year. She's still taking some medications, but
It is a miracle. I never thought that there would be a day where I would be able to breathe without, wheezing or having to, stop myself and catch my breath.
And for Karen, no more mask. Breathing easier, something they'd almost forgotten.
And Dr. Besser is with us here now, and while this gives new hope to people with extreme asthma. And this is the device right here?
Yeah, it's really incredible. This little wire, they snake it down into your lungs, squeeze the trigger and apply some heat, and in a few seconds, you're all done.
Because essentially the heat is moving the muscle out of the way so you can breathe?
That's right. There's no longer a blockage. Air flows very well. But it's not for everybody. It's for those severe patients who don't respond to medicine. It's giving them amazing hope.